Fund management. Today I'll be talking about risk management. You want to manage your trade so that you will not put your trade at risk of getting stagnant. Because nobody would like to enter a coin that will be stagnant. I think I've been giving reports on our trades, and I throughout last week, there was about 7 coins or 6 coins thereabout of trade of coin that we traded. That's why I want to be giving reports. So when you are trading, you need to apply risk management. Now, thank God for RoyalQ. That's why I love this RoyalQ a lot. I gave an update in the group that RoyalQ, they are always giving us new updates. They are just looking for the best. So if you pay $120 for this, your boss always giving you new update because they saw that the level of which exchanges, especially banners is very, very funny. The rate at which they always delete. Somebody has been in a coin. That thing caused an issue with me and one of my team member. The person was so angry with me as if I'm the owner of Binance, as if I'm the owner of the one that created the coin was trading, because the coin actually has been in a floating for a very long time, and now they now want to release that coin. Am I the one that caused it? It's not me. So thank God that RoyalQ has already given us a new feature on our bot that if you are trading a coin and the coin is about to be delisted, they won't allow the bot to buy it. It's not a good one. That's a good one for the bot, the developer. They are always looking for good ways, better ways, more features that you can use to enjoy. They are always after you making more profit, not you losing. We say concern Binance. Binance that this coin is not performing well. They are not really following the rule they give to them. They are seeing some shady deals in that project. They will delist it. So RoyalQ has now given you a new feature so that will not be entering coin that is about to be delisted. And that is a plus for us. Now, when you want to trade a coin, for people that are here newly, the fundamental rule is that never enter a coin that is pumping. I was just talking to somebody here to this scene and I was training that never enter a coin that is pumping. And at the time we saw this coin was around it was around 33% up. Now you can see. That's what I just told the woman that I was just reading today. That when a coin is up, never go and enter a coin that is up, because if you enter a coin that is up, it will be going down. You can see that the coin is already going down. Don't ever enter a coin that is going up. Enter a coin that is the highest negative. This is the highest negative coin now. And now, even if the coin is the highest negative, that's where I'm going. The coin that is the highest negative can even dump more. The risk management you want to talk about here is you don't want to enter a coin that will get you stuck. So there are 2 things you are going to check. They are very simple. The first rule is to enter a coin that is the highest negative. Now, when you enter the coin, there are about 3 things you need to go and check. You need to go and check the back history of this coin. That this coin, when was it launched? I don't like coin that is just launched. See, because it does not have enough history. That like at this coin now, this coin was launched in 2021. I clicked the first red candle. What did I do? I first went to the monthly chart of that coin by going to this bar here, and I clicked the first candle. This is the first candle, the first month when I started trading this coin. I went there and I discovered that when I clicked that candle, it showed me the information in that candle that this coin started trading in 2020. Are you seeing? When I clicked that candle, it gave me this box. This box gave me the information in that green candle, in that red candle, the first candle. That means the moment this coin was launched, the coin began dumping. Very funny coin. The first month it started dumping. It dumped though. So anybody that rushed to buy this coin, that's why anyone I see people rushing to buy a newly launched coin, I'll just be laughing. I don't do that in the past. Don't enter newly launched coin on Binance. Let the coin pump, let it settle down before you now enter. Watch the market first. So now this coin was launched in 2021, so it's still safe. So it's not a new coin. So I will first look at that one. Then the next thing I want to check, the first thing you check, number one, when will this coin launch? You don't want to go and enter a coin that will just new launch because the coin does not have enough history of trade. It does not have enough history. I want a coin that have enough history. I want to know the all-time high the coin has reached. I want to check the lowest low it has reached. Then when it went from up down, has it gone back to the highest high it started with? I want to check that this coin does have enough liquidity before I enter that coin. After I've done that, the next thing I want to check is very fundamental. I want to go and check the coin on the daily chart. That's the second risk management. I want to go and check the coin on the daily chart. On the daily chart, is this coin hanging up? Is the coin on the upward trend? Is it on the sideways? Is it moving sideways? Or is it on a downward trend? But there are different types of trend for people that are new. There are different types of trend in candle formation. We have what we call the downward trend. The best time to enter a coin is when the coin is on a downward trend, whether on the 1 day chart, on the 4-hour chart, or in the 1 hour chart. So I always want to go and check the coin on the 1 day. Is the coin on the 1 day chart? Is it hanging? Are you seeing it? That's why the fact that the coin is negative. I will not enter because is it the only coin? It's not the only coin now. The coin is hanging. So it has a red candle. There's a tendency that this coin can dump more to this price here. Days ahead. That's why I don't want to go and enter coin that days ahead is going to dump. Because the moment there is a correction in the market, the moment market corrects, what do we mean by that? The moment the market starts going down, retracing down, if you go and enter this coin will dump more and you can stay longer in that trade. So the first risk management is go and check the coin on the 1 month. How long is this coin? Then on the daily chart, is this coin on the upward trend or is it hanging like a fruit that is already very overripe that want to fall down? I will never enter this coin. If the coin was on not hanging like this, if the candles are down like this, on a downward trend like this, I can enter this coin and go and sleep. If there are more, let me turn this into red. Let me clear. Let's say this candle that is hanging here. Yeah. If there are other candles hanging like this, dropping down on a downward trend, and on the 1 day chart, I will be very happy. I know that I will not stay long in this coin. My trade will not be will not get stuck for days. It will deliver fast because in the days ahead, the coin on the daily chart is already oversold. So I will first check that one. Then I will now go and check the 4-hour charts. Is this coin on the I use with the 1 day chart to check whether the coin is on a downward trend days ahead. Will it going to dump more? Will it come back up? But when I go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that it has a very good formation. Since the rule of trading is that enter the highest negative coin and also look for a coin that is on a downward trend. So it has given me a good confirmation because on the 4-hour chart, the coin is on a downward trend. So I can enter this coin. And if I can see a green candle confirmation here, I can enter knowing that it will go up and I can take 3%. Since this is not the coin in the market, I would rather play safe by looking for a coin that is on a downward trend on the 1 day chart and on the 4-hour chart. I will prefer that. So instead of me entering this coin, I will first put it somewhere on the side. I will say, let me go back. Let me check the other coin. I will check the 1 day chart. I'll first check on the 1 month chart. You can see that this coin has scanty candles. Then if I click the first candle, It's not easy to get because the chart is not. I think this coin is a new coin. I think this coin was launched around 2023, last quarter of 2023. So I will first put this coin by the left. That in my own rule, I don't want to enter coin that is new. I'll first put this coin at my left hand side first. Then I will go to the weekly chart on the downward trend. But since I want to be doing day trading, and I discovered that on the 1 day chart is hanging here, I will first disqualify it first because I want to play safe. I'm practicing risk management. I will now go to 4 hours. On the 4 hours is looking good. So the only criteria for me to enter this coin, because it's giving me a very good downward trend here, very good one. So there's tendency that in less than a day, there's possibility of it going up. Because it's already on a downward trend. And I want to enter from it. They have already oversold this coin. It's even break the last support here. The last support is this the candle here. It broke it here, down more. So there's chance of this coin giving 3 or 4% on a 4-hour chart. But because there are still other coins in the market, I will still write this one. I will say, let me go back and look for another coin. I will keep on searching until I see a coin that can run away. I won't enter this coin. It's hanging. Run away. 4 hour. On 4 hour, let me check. This coin is hanging. I can't enter. I can't enter this coin. I will go back. I'll keep on searching until I get a coin that has good downward trend on the 4 hours. This coin is a good coin for me. I can enter this coin with all my chest because BAKE is even a very volatile coin. Because at this coin is already on a downward trend. You can go and enter this coin and sleep. It's already on a downward trend. It don't crash in the daily chart. And in the 4-hour chart, so I'll first give it a pass mark. If I was a teacher, I will give it a pass mark first. I will give it a pass mark. I'm coming. Even if I know this coin very well, I've been trading this coin since 2021. So I don't even, it's a coin that I know that it's a very volatile coin. So I can enter this coin. So I'll go to 1 day. Since it's already on a serious downward trend, I will give it that pass mark that on the 1 day chart, I'm secured that days ahead, this coin had the tendency of going up. Then I will now go to my 4-hour chart to go and check, is it on a downward trend? This coin will cook well. It's already forming 2 green weak candles. So this coin will give like 4%. It's a good coin. So I can enter this coin. If you are clear on what I've said so far, before I now add another 2 to help you more, type 6 in the chat. Type 6 in the chat. If you are clear on this risk management I just shared, type 6 in the chat before I go to the next thing, next tool that can help you. Type 6 in the chat. If you don't type 6, that means I'm just talking. All the things I'm saying are not clear. Type 6 in the chat. If you're not typing 6 in the chat, that means you're not clear. I'm just speaking in Greek and in Latin. You are not clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've gotten about 5. I don't know what is hard in typing 6. Now your phone now. To type 6. If you type 6, you are telling your subconscious that I've understood and you make more money. If you don't type 6, it means you don't understand. That means you're not ready to make more money. So now, let's now use a tool that will really help you. That tool to confirm what you just did now. The first tool that I love so much is Bollinger Band. It's Bollinger Band. I love this tool. So in this Bollinger Band, this Bollinger Band has 3 lines. We have the upper band that is in yellow, moving like this, yellow, and we have another band, the purple line in the middle, and we have another band like blue at the bottom. Now you want to enter trade when candles are very close to the lower band. If you see a candle hanging like this here, run away. If you see a candle hanging here on this upper band, run away, because it's coming down to this middle band. If you see a candle forming on the middle line here, it's coming down here. That's why you see that when this green candle touch this place, if you go and enter here, you're in trouble. That's why if anybody go and enter here, that's why the coin crash down to the middle band. It crash further down again to the bottom. Because any candle that is forming here, the next bus stop is the middle one. The next bus stop is coming down. So anybody that enter from up is going down. So anytime I now see a candle forming very close to the lower band, is a good confirmation, especially the more closer the last candle is to that lowest line on the Bollinger band, the better. Especially if it touches and even breaks down like this, forget it. That is a very good sign of a coin that can give you massive profit. If this coin touches, if this candle here, especially if it is green, or even if it is red, let the red cross like this down, and the wick, this tiny thing, is pointing down, and it touches and breaks down like this, and you enter from here, you ride it up to this place, you will make massive profits. So, but at least on the 1 day chart, we can see that the red candle is almost close to the last line. So if I now check the 4 hour, and you can see, good sign. This coin is going to give profit. You can see that this red candle breaks that last line, and it is moved. The last 3 candles are moving sideways. This is a very good spot to enter. This coin can give up to 5%. This coin, so after you have identified the downward trend on the daily charts, and you now go to the 4-hour charts, it's another downward trend, up into that coin, because you can trade that coin with peace of mind, knowing that you will not get stuck. Go and sleep. Just go and relax your mind. Like this BNX now is a very good one. The stock RSI is showing this is a very good coin. Very good coin. So let me search for that. Big. I have the big orange. I have big here. This big. Let me see. If you decide to wait for days ahead to trade this coin, but you have to, because in this ahead, this coin have the tendency of still touching this place. The coin is still going to dip more and touch this place, or this RSI, if this line points up, you can see that this RSI is showing that it's pointing down like this. Another red candle is going to form small here, probably touch this last line of the Bollinger band. Then when this one turns up, then this coin will start going on. But if you go and check the 4-hour chart, wow, hey, Obeli, this Obel, this Obel. So this coin can give you about 7% take profit, because another confirmation from the RSI here is that the line is pointing up. These candles are broken, are forming 3 candles here, broken the last line. It's a very good coin to enter. Very good coin to enter. So if you have understood how you can use the additional confirmation with the Bollinger band, you have now clearly understood it, type 9 in the chat. Type 9 in the chat. If you have understood how to use the Bollinger band, what you need to look out for in the Bollinger Band. What you need to look out for in the Bollinger Band. Type now in the chat. So what we have said so far is that when you want to practice risk management with RoyalQ using the charts, candle formation, go and check the coin at the monthly candles. If it's a new coin, it's better to trade old coins that has been in the market for long. Because if a coin that just newly launched, there's tendency for that coin to dump more. So if it's an old coin that you trading for long, that's the first check mark. Then if you now go and check the coin on the daily chart and the coin is on a downward trend and it's almost close to the lowest line on the Bollinger Band, if it's close to the lowest line, or even if it's cut across, which is more better, another pass mark. If you now go to the 4-hour chart, like we saw in big, I saw that the candles on the 4-hour chart has broken the last line, is a good coin to enter. You have practiced risk management of not allowing your coin to get stagnant for a long time. So I think I've done justice to risk management. So let me teach us the last point, or should we stop here so that I can take question? I don't want to bombard us with training. Should I continue to the next topic, or we should end here? Because I've been doing training since around 5.
Hello, sir. Maybe we should ask questions. If there is no question, then you can go ahead.
Okay. If you have any ask, I would love to end this training here. I will continue the next topic next week. This one you have learned is a good thing that you have learned. We can try and practice it. Then I will teach another topic. But I've been doing a Zoom meeting for almost 2 hours before now, so I need to rest. So if you have any question, especially if you are new people here, ask your question. I'll be ending the training here. Any question? If you are new, you can type your question in the chat box, or you can unmute your mic to ask your question, because I want to end the training now. I've been talking for more than 2 hours, going to 3 hours now. Any question? Okay, if there's no question, I think we need to draw the curtain to today's training. I was supposed to do a Zoom meeting. No, sir, you can't trade $100 with 2 coins. Don't ever try it. That is fund management strategy. We don't do that. Thank you for asking that question. You can see that I think you are in that group that I added us. Anytime I send signal to the group, I always warn us, don't ever trade. Anytime I send signal, I send 1 or 2 signal, I always write here, you're reading what I send, please, reading it. I will first send, if I send the first one, the reason why I'm doing that, because that's what we call fund management in trading and in RoyalQ. If you are new here, we have a rule. As long as you have $100 to $500, don't do 2 coins. Please, don't ask me why. Just take it as it is. Trade only 1 coin. If I want to tell you, I will tell you why. Don't trade 2 coins. You are not qualified to trade 2 coins. If you have $100 to $200, I'm begging you. I even have an old member here. He knows the rule of trading and with RoyalQ. That, please, let me even quickly enter this my big. Sorry, I want to enter this big. I have some money in this. If I forget, okay. Let me do this big. So don't trade, like you can see in my balance, I have enough. They don't enter 2-3 coins. Oh. Please, I'm begging us. Okay. Because if you go and trade 2 coin, I must enter this coin. It's a good coin. Don't enter 2 coins. That's our rule. So the person is an old member, and he went to go and enter because he has a coin that's already in a serious floating loss for a very long time, and he has another $200 balance. He now went to go, and he knows the rule that you don't enter 2 coins. He went to go and enter 2 coins. Then the first one he entered was stopped. The second one he entered became stopped again. And I told him that why would we entering 2 coins with $200? Don't do it, because the market can go against you anytime. What do you mean by that? The coin must start going down, going down. And if you now go down, I have somebody in the team too. He started newly. He has only $100. He entered 1, 2, 3 coins. Since more than 4 months now, he stopped. Because the market now went against like seriously. How will the person be happy? So that's what we call fund management in RoyalQ. Don't enter too many coins, because if the coins start going down, the bots want to buy more, Then when the bots now you use $100, you enter 1 coin, the market now works against you. If they declare a news and the market started dumping, and you have already entered another 2 coin before the news, the second coin. Now, the first coin you enter, the market will start going down, the bot was not buying more. You now go to a place, you now discover that there's no more money. You have already entered another coin. Before you know it, you now begin, your coin will now be depreciating, then you will now be having higher floating loss. And the opportunity of making more money, even a dip, where the bot can be buying, selling, you have denied yourself that, because you have over traded. You have spread your trading capital to too many coins. The bot will now lose its efficiency to work fast, to be buying and selling for infrequently. So don't over trade. Please don't over trade. If you have 1 coin, you have $100 to 500. I have one of my team member here. He adhered to my rule. He adhered, he stuck to my instruction that if you have $100 to $500, trade only 1 coin. And the guy entered 1 coin, and it took that coin almost a month before the coin went higher than its entry price. And every day, because the coin was going down, the bot was able to use the money that was in his Binance more. So the bot was able to see no money to buy, sell. He was not making money almost every day. Sometimes $1, $2, $3, $4, $8, $1, $2 every day. Because when the coin crashed, the bot was seeing no money to buy cheaper. When it go up, it sell. But if you have $100, you'll be angry with your bot. You'll be angry. As you saying that the bot caused it. You have $100, $150, you now want to be over trading. The market now goes against you. Now you're now angry. Because the coin was going down. The bot now wanted to buy more. Wanted to buy when the coin was going down. But your balance has been exhausted. In the same coin, you will not be angry for days, for week. It can even be, if the coin now dump more, 1 week you will not earn anything. But Mr. B, that was having enough capital in his Binance, will be enjoying daily profit every day. That's why if you are here in this training, do everything you can to upgrade your capital to $500, then to 1,000. So if you are up to $1,000, you can do two coins. Can do 2 coins. 2 coins if you have $1,000. But if you have 100, if you have 100 to $500, please do only 1 coin, so that the bot will be able to see enough money to buy and sell. I think I've oversold that enough. I hope I am clear. Any other question? Yes, the training is being recorded. I always record my training. So please don't do that. And I already have a new I think I'll be sharing that every now and then. There is a new trade setting that I'm using to teach us now. So that anytime it's a fund management trade settings. So I have named this trade setting depending on your capital different names. The first one is bronze trade setting. The bronze trade setting covers 100 to 150. So when I tell you that use bronze trade setting, so people that has 100 to 150, and there's another version of it, the same bronze trade setting processing. You can use the first one or the second one is for people that have $100 to 150. Then we have another trade setting called silver trade setting. It can cover a capital of 200 to 250. That means if you have 200 to 250 in your Binance, I will even suggest use bronze first. Use bronze. Use bronze. Then if you now have more than $400 in your Binance, if you have 300 to 400 in your Binance, I would suggest don't use Jade. Although you have 300 to 400, although use silver trade setting. Use silver trade setting because it can cover the bot can buy 15 times down. If the coin even goes as low as minus 30%, the bot will be able to buy. And you'll be seeing buy and selling in your RoyalQ. But if you go and use the J trade setting, people that can use J trade setting is people that have like $500. You have like $500. Then if you use this trade setting, because of the margin call drop is more smaller, the higher trade setting you are using, the more frequent the bot will be buying and the more profits will be making more because the person have more capital. So any person that want to use this J tracing must have like $500 and above, $500, $600. They can use the J trade setting. Jade. Because it can cover a capital up to $404 if you follow this setting. And if the coin even go as low as minus 30%, the bot will be buying, selling, almost every day, be making money. So people that have like, let's say $2,000 are the one that can use this emerald. You have $2,000 here. You can use this emerald because with this emerald, the bot will be buying almost every now and then, every hour, you'll be making money. Because the trade settings, the margin control are very small margin. The bot will be buying and selling easily. So people the more capital you have in trading, and when you're using the RoyalQ bot and you're using higher trade setting, the more money you'll be making frequently. So if you go to the next one, it's called platinum trade setting. People that can use this trade setting are people that has like $3,000. If you have like $3,500, this person can trade, let's say, 3 coins. When you use this trade setting, the person will be printing money almost every hour. Almost every hour, you must be printing money. If you have like 3,500, you use this setting, you must be making money every hour. Because the bot will be, because you are 3 coins, you was making every money, every 1 hour, you're making money. Because the margin control are very, very small. Because cryptocurrency are so volatile, they move up and down very fast. So that's why do everything to increase your trade capital. So if you are here, you have made covenant, I like making that statement that it's not your rule, it's not your thing, it's not my thing to talk to people, to register people. It's not my thing to refer people. It's not my thing. That is not my thing. Then I've created a airdrop group and I sent it to the group. Some people saw it, they just homoloju. They just what's the meaning of homoloju here? Sorry for speaking Yoruba. That you just you overlooked it. What is he sending? I beg you. What is he sending? I sent it to the group that I have an airdrop group. Why did I create this airdrop group? I have been telling people about RoyalQ for more than a year. I have some people in the prospect group for 6 months, they never get money. Some people $50 is like they are looking for 1 million. So I have to create a group that can teach them. So I have to create that group so that I can show people, give people information of money they can make free. So if you are in this RoyalQ, you are trading with $150, and you have made a covenant with yourself, you will not refer people. That is a taboo. You are avoiding it like a disease that you never in your life tell anybody about RoyalQ, and you see it as something that is sinful. It's something that is it's not your thing. It's not your thing. Then come and do airdrop, and you are still struggling because you have so many bills to pay to increase your capital. If you are using $100 $150, you not enjoy RoyalQ, you not enjoy trading, you will be angry. You will see people making more money. You will now be asking questions. People are fond of doing that. How much capital is this person using? How much capital is this person using? Don't be asking that question. If you see people making like $78 per day, $50 per day, don't be asking that question. You should know that that person is using a very huge capital to trade. Don't be asking. Your duty is that I want to get more capital so that I can be making this. Don't go and be dreaming. Don't ever let it come into your dream. Don't even dream about it. Then with my $150, I can make $50 in a day. Don't dream about it. Please try and erase that dream, the thought, the urge from your mind, and that this person that is making $50 in a day. Don't try it. Don't bring it to your mindset too, because these people are using huge capital to trade. You see somebody that is making in a day, can say $16, $9, $37, $17. This person is not using small capital. So try and upgrade your capital if you want to enjoy RoyalQ trading. Join airdrop, because even this month alone, we have over 6 projects that's about to be launched. If you do that 6 projects this month, in one you get 50 here, you get 40 here, you get 70 here. Multiply it together, it can raise like $200, $300. Add it to your trading in RoyalQ and enjoy more profit. If you can't refer people, you don't want to make more money with RoyalQ. So I've said my own. If you want to join your group, go and click the link I sent to you. The airdrop is free money. The only money you can spend to join this airdrop, maybe it's gas fee, like $3, $4, or $2. Imagine like this dog that I made this morning, $74. Even it's almost increased to $8 when the coin pump. How much did I spend? I didn't spend up to $2, but I was just performing tax here and there, and I was able to make like $88. Now imagine I get like 6 like that in a month. That's almost $500 to increase your capital. Please, it's your decision if you want to join. Don't want to. How can I be begging people to make money? It's up to you. So I think, is there any other question so that I can end this call? Any other question? Let me.
I sent. Thank you, sir. Well done, sir. I've sent a question down about Royal.